Hello, I am Rajneesh. In this video, I will tell you how to host your website which is on your local machine, that is your local host, to your EC2 instance. You can see my WordPress website on my local host, and now I want to set up this WordPress site to the EC2 instance. For this, you need to transfer your WordPress file plus WordPress database to the EC2. So let's start. First, you need to download WinSCP to transfer your file. Now, here you can see my one of instance is running in uh, free tier. You are only allowed to have only one instance. So first I need to delete this instance so that I can create my new instance. According to me, ubuntu instance is ubuntu linux is best for developer, and this instance is currently having amazon linux. So first I need to delete it. So here terminate. Yes, terminate. This will shut down soon. Now go to your EC2 dashboard. You will see one volume and two security groups. You need to delete it also. If you want, you can delete it. If you don't want, you can leave it. I will delete it so that I can show you how to create it from here. 1 second, if it is already done or not. Shutting down. Just wait until it is deleted. This is my website hosted on local machine. So first I need to have my backup of my database. So go to your PHP my admin. This is my WordPress site. Go to export, then click go, and it will download your database. Now you need to have the copy of WordPress content, means file. So just copy this, make a zip file. This is required as you need to transfer this whole file to your EC2 instance. It is terminated. Now go to your dashboard, security. Let's create it from the beginning. If you have already seen if you have just create view network interface, detach, just detach. No, it's not detaching because it is associated with my RDS account. So first I need to remove it from here. It's a database service provided by the Amazon. You are allowed to create database here. I will show you how to create here also database too. First delete it. delete. Wait for a second. We will be using RDS dashboard to create new database which is in MySQL for our website. Delete it also. I will show you from the beginning. If you have seen my earlier video, you can see how to create an AWS account and how to set up and create your AWS EC2 instance. If you don't have, you need to go and watch my part 1 and part 2 video of AWS playlist. Now delete it. It is still not free. It is in process. So by the time we will create our EC2 instance. So just take here free, choose ubuntu 16 as ubuntu is best for developer. So just select ubuntu. It's free tier eligible. Review T2 OK. Click here. Security group. If you want it to leave, since it is deleting, that's why it is still here. You can create new security group also. Create a new security group. Or select an existing one. I am selecting an existing one, but it's better to create a new one. Type your name, review and launch. Improve your instance security. Your security group launch is open to the world. Don't worry. This is assets type which we use for connecting to the EC2 instance. Launch. You need to create new PPR. Say my name and download. Launch. Instances will be launched very soon. View instances. It's still deleting. Delete. Since the instance is still in active mode, we cannot delete here. Subnet group. Wait for a second. See, it's running. Now we need this IP address to connect to the EC2 instance. For this, you need to convert your .pem key to .ppk. So select import key. Just go to your download section. My name, pm. Open it. Say private key. You will be asked key phrase. If you want to put here key phrase, then no. Type here key phrase. For security purpose it is required. Otherwise you can ignore it. Say private key. My name. Now it has been created. So put the IP It's my earlier, so I will delete it. Yes, create a new one. Put the IP address which is here. This is a ubuntu instance, so username will be ubuntu. You need to select key, private key which we have just created. My name. Okay, save. Okay, login. Yes, type your phrase which you have given on the time of creating your private key. Now we are done. Connected with the EC2 instance. Now we need to upload the file. So just go to your, it's in D drive. Select your location. It's D drive. Here is my file which I need to upload to my website, to my EC2 instance. So click upload. It's still in process. You need to refresh it to check. Oh, thank God, it has been deleted. Just delete it. No need to have. This snapshot is used to restore your database. Parameter groups. I will show you how to create database here, which will be used in connecting with your website. What's this website? Delete it. In the security group, just come here and see. This was earlier, so no need. Leave associated instances. Okay, it has been associated with security group. You need to carefully delete the instance. Just check it. It has been created now and it has been earlier. So old should be deleted. Now it has been deleted. For our website, we have two options. Either you create your MySQL database into your EC2 instance, or you use RDS service which provide MySQL database and other database. I will be using RDS to create my database. So you need to click here. Just tick the instance, MySQL, select. Now just don't tick here, only free tier RDS, otherwise you will be charged by the Amazon for your usage. Just give your identifier name, say it WRDPRESS WordPress, your username and your password for the database. Password may not contain this, so I need to remove. You need to save this detail. So next, now here security group. I have created my instance which is connected to this security group. So I will connect to the same security group. You can also create a new security group. Now WordPress database name and leave everything blank. If you want a snapshot of your database or backup, you can choose yes or no in how many days. I will choose no, I don't want any backup. Be careful while selecting any option. Launch your database. View your database. Now it will create. Till then we will connect to our EC2 instance. So just take here, copy paste your IP address and put it in you put put it to connect with the EC2 instance. If you have not seen my earlier video, kindly watch my earlier video on AWS part 1 and part 2 for better understanding. Yes, ubuntu is its username. Now you need to type here the passphrase which you have given at the time of creating public key. Now it's ubuntu. You can see your file which you have just uploaded. First you need to wait a minute. I will change the setting so that text will be larger. Setting. You need to install Apache and PHP. Type this command and done. Now ls I already have created PHP file to test. You can type this command to check if your PHP enabled or not. It is enabled. Restart your Apache server. Head on to your browser and refresh it. And it's done. Your PHP is working. Now here we have database already created. Now it's time to give permission. So in security group we need to allow port 33 is the given 3306. So This is our security group which we have created while creating our EC2 instance. So we need to add here rule for MySQL. Now here is given CIDR and IP head. If you want to secure your system, then you need to give CIDR number, which you will get from here. Just copy and paste, comma, so that from this IP subnet marks only you are able to connect with your database server. Otherwise, if you will leave it 000, then anyone can access your database, RDS database. Just click save, add on to your instance, edit your security group. It will take time. If not done, it's already done. Don't worry. Now see the detail. We have disabled our database backup. This is your means server where your database is host. Just copy it, open up your MySQL Workbench. We need to have install. I will give you the link to install MySQL Workbench. This is required to connect with your RDS database. Here is your database name. Here is your username database. We can see it is authorized. Now head on to here. We have the file. Now just copy this zip file to var www.html. It's given file permission, so type sudo and now move to that directory, ls. We have two files. Now unzip. We have already installed sudo unzip. Type a because we already have index.php, so we need to replace this index.php with our WordPress index.php. So type a and it will replace. Now type la command to see the file permission. Okay. Now head on to your WordPress site and type, and we are done. We need to set up database. So here click I have added one more security here. For MySQL connection, I have allowed it all IP address from anywhere you can connect to MySQL database. If you know this look server name, port, and username and password. As I have forgotten my, as I have given, sorry, I have allowed it all the IP address to connect to the MySQL database. For security reason, this is not good practice. Anyone who knows where your database is hosted, that is database server address and username and password, then EC can easily connect with your database. Now come to MySQL Workbench, type your host name, which is here. This is your host name. Type your username, store your password in the word, test for the connection. It's okay. Click OK. Now we are done. Double click here. And it will show your database, which we have already created. You can see from here, database name WordPress. Now, as we have already backed our WordPress database, so here we need to import. So here open a SQL script. This is your WordPress. Open it. Set this database as a default, so you will not get any problem while running this script. Now Control A and click execute the selected portion of the script, and it will execute and your whole database will be created very soon. We can see from here there is no any error, all are green tick. Now refresh it from here, go to tables option, click here at the last corner and you will see your table. Now you need to change the base URL. So our base URL is what? This IP address. So copy, change your base URL, paste. Here also just remove, paste. Query, commit, results. Check, apply and done. Now refresh your database. One more problem we need to change our script. Since we have hosted with different username password on localhost, so just change our configuration file of that WordPress site. Here, database name, it's WordPress. See WordPress. Okay. Now your username, database username, what you have already given, and database password. Your host name, copy from here, host name, Control C, and paste it. Remove the 3306. Rest keep as it is. Now type Control Shift O, enter, Control X. Now check whether it has been able to connect. Yes, we are done. We have successfully hosted our local host website to our EC2 instance. I will give you the link and description of all the commands used in this tutorial, in this video. So don't worry about it. If you don't have any knowledge about Linux and how to type Linux or Linux commands, then don't worry. In the description below, you will get every commands. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, thumbs up, give like, and do subscribe to my channel. That's all. Thank you very much.